but we all just ordered. Like there's like 6 of them.
Good morning. My name is Frank Tozak. I'm with Diversity, and what we wanted to share today with you and our Hill and Marks distribution partner out here in Amsterdam is our Bona Resilient Floor Care program. And basically this is designed, it's a little bit, that's a lot different than your conventional floor care programs. Really designed for when those types of programs are no longer responding, your typical stripping, recoating. Sometimes the floor might almost be ready for the jackhammer in the junkyard. We're going to show you how to rejuvenate that floor, make it look almost brand new at a fraction of the cost of replacing the floor. And when we're done, the maintenance program is extremely simple. You'll never ever have to strip the floor down to the bare tile again. All you're going to do is clean that floor, daily clean it with a neutral floor cleaner, and that will be it for 3 to 5 years. After about 3 or 5 years, we can just do a mild abrasion with just water, put a coat of clear coat down, and the floor will once again look brand new. You want to come in and take a look at what we've got going on here?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
We're coming in, guys.
Watch the blue.
So the first step was to prep the floor. We had to clean it very well, remove any existing floor finish that may have been on the floor. And now we've applied the color and we're applying the decorative chips at the same time. This will take about 40 minutes to dry. And when we're done with this, we're going to apply 2 coats of a clear coat. It has a hardener added to it, so it'll be a very hard, durable floor, and it's going to last for years. And again, never need to strip down to the bare tile or remove this coating again.
I love the way this looks.
This, it applies much better than a traditional paint, doesn't it? The way it flows, it just levels out. Watch behind you there.
Which way do you want to go now, Dan? I'm going to pour a line this way.
Let's put a sheet of plastic down.
This is the before floor right here, and this is the after. It's not dry yet, but it already looks absolutely beautiful.
I think John's having entirely
And
too
then
much fun.
we're going to sprinkle that brush. We're going to want to keep that brush flat.
Can we see the paper chips up close just so that they can see kind of what it looks like?
We're going to
This is the product, and then let's show you the texture of it. Just paper flakes.
really clean it.
You gotta wait for a little while.
How long would you say this process takes?
This takes, this is 200 square feet. It'll take us 4 hours start to finish with a lot of drying time involved. But you can actually do upwards of 2,000 to 3,000 square feet in the same amount of time as we're doing this.
Oh, wow. And what type of floors would this be perfect for?
It's perfect for any type of resilient floor, so VCT, vinyl asbestos tile, rubber, linoleum. It's also, we're doing a ceramic tile floor right now. It also works on concrete. So wood too, right? Wood too, yep.
Oh, wow.
Terrazzo.
Terrazzo.
Awesome. Any last words before we say farewell?
No, again, we will be done coating this in about 2 more minutes. Can we come back on when we apply the clear coat?
Yeah, absolutely. We can show the results.
Yep.
So there's gonna be 2 coats of this.